Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here on the Garden State Parkway heading towards Newark Liberty Airport, heading to Vegas today. Las Vegas. I haven't been there in quite a while. I think it's 5 or 6 months. That's a long stretch for me, and I'm really looking forward to this trip. My home base is going to be the Flamingo Hotel and Casino. I am staying at a couple other hotels as well, but I'm completely booked for the week at the Flamingo, just in case things don't work out. But I definitely booked a room at the Mandalay Bay because I want to check out that pool. So I'm definitely doing that, but I'm not sure about other hotels that I might be staying at. Just stay tuned to the channel and I'll keep you guys informed. I'm flying out on United. My flight's at around 9:30. I should be getting to Las Vegas about 12:30 in the afternoon Vegas time. I lose 3 hours. This first day of traveling to Vegas always tires me out because I do a lot of work, and by I'm going to say 7 o'clock at night I kind of crash because of the time difference and all the work that I'm doing today. So I usually just take a nap and I recharge my batteries and I'm good to go. So I'm going to get off soon on the New Jersey Turnpike and head into the Newark Airport, Liberty Airport. So come along with me today. I'm going to take you from here, I guess, to the door of the Flamingo. I rented a sports car for this trip, not for the entire week, but for 3 days, just to get around to places that are further off this trip. A while back ago, I rented a car for the entire trip, and that was just a waste of money. So I'm doing it for 3 days. I left it up to you guys in the New York community room. Should I rent a European sports car convertible or an American muscle car convertible? And you guys voted that I do the American muscle car, so that's what I went with. I made reservations for the American muscle car convertible. They showed a nice picture of a Mustang. I don't know if it's going to be a Mustang or not, but we'll find out, I guess, later in this video after I get to Harry Reid Airport and check out the car. I'm pretty exhausted this morning. One of the things I try to do when I go on these working vacations, if you will, is make sure that I have videos up for the upcoming week for the channel. So the channel is going to be kind of like on autopilot while I'm away. With the exception of the community room, I will do a lot of community room posts on the fly as I'm in Las Vegas. But I stayed up most of the night making sure those videos were up and scheduled, and I got about 2 or 3 hours sleep. So I'm really looking to get past security, getting in that airplane, and taking a good 3 or 4 hour nap. I've got quite a few things on my plate just today alone, besides just getting to Vegas, which is a task enough. I plan on going to Sam's Town, the casino. I've never been there, heard a lot about it. Not too far off the Strip. I was surprised. I thought it was further from the Strip, but it's like a mile or two away from the Strip. I also plan on going to one of those drive-in restaurants like you saw in American Graffiti or Happy Days with the car, the muscle car. So looking forward to that today as well. I'm probably going to be hungry as soon as I get into Vegas. I didn't have breakfast, and I'm not going to eat on the plane, so... Parking is $40 a day. It's gone up again. It's going to cost me $250 to park just for the week. It's crazy.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Well, as you guys can see, there was an unexpected bus ride on my schedule this morning. When I woke up, the boarding pass still said Terminal C, and that's where I went through TSA and everything. I actually started to talk to you guys on a video. I was recording in Terminal C when I got an email stating that it's actually Terminal A. They changed it. Not the first time United's done that last minute. Luckily, I got here an hour earlier, so that was pretty cool. So I got on the bus. Didn't have to go through TSA again. Here I am, Terminal A.
Looks a little like the New York Channel logo, doesn't it? Not a coincidence. And here we have an Atlantic City snow globe. And a quick shout out to Pac-Man, who found Cabby, the New York City mascot, from the New York City Driving Around with Jeff series, 42nd Street. Congratulations, Pac-Man. Now those are nice airport lounges. Just a couple tips about this flight. I usually fly United, and last time I got separated from my luggage because there was simply no more room in the overheads. So I booked something, or opted in on something called Premier Access. Very inexpensive. It was like $15 or $20 each way, so it was $30 or $40 for the round trip. And what that does is it guarantees you early boarding on the plane, which is very convenient. You get all those overheads that are pretty much empty at that time. So you're one of the first ones on the plane. You have guaranteed that you're not going to be separated from your luggage pretty much. And I always book a aisle seat. That's very important to me because I like to stretch my legs out. You simply can't do that at the window seat. And you certainly can't do it in the middle seat. And also on the window seat, if you have to go to the bathroom, well, you have to bother two people. So I always like the aisle seat. Not too long ago, this airport had a name change from McCarran to Harry Reid, and it looks like some of the signage still has to be changed.
Well, that was a rather uneventful flight, which is always a good thing. We got here on time. We were delayed on the runway at Newark for like 45 minutes, but somehow or other we made up the time and we got here 10 minutes early. I'm going to head over to rent the car now. We'll see what kind of car I'm going to get. And before I do that, I'm going to do a video of this airport first, but that'll be another video here on the New York channel. In any event, I'll see you guys soon as I head towards the car rental place now.
Hold on tight. There are no car rental vendors actually inside the airport or any of the airport terminals. You have to leave the terminals and get on a bus. What I didn't expect was this long line. It looks like it's going to be over an hour wait. Turned out to be a little under an hour, but close to an hour just to get on a bus to get to the rental car building.
Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
Well, guys, I picked up the car. It's a Camaro, not a Mustang, but I'll definitely take a Camaro as well. It's convertible, like I asked for. It's a fine car. I'm gonna have it for 3 days out of my week here in Las Vegas. Can't wait to drive around town. Got the car to visit places that are off the strip. So instead of Ubering here and there, I figured I'd just rent the car and have some fun with it with the videos as well. So it looks really nice. I'm having a great time so far. As you guys know, there's lots of construction going on in this area for the in preparation for the F1 Formula race in November. So I'm not sure what the Las Vegas Strip or Las Vegas Boulevard is going to look like for the next 3 days while I'm driving, but we'll have to deal with it. I really need my sunglasses, but they're packed. They're in the suitcase in the trunk.
Hey guys, if you're a fan of the New York channel, check out the new Facebook New York fan page. It's created and maintained by Dan Kraft, also known around here as Real Unc D. I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you, Dan, so much for your hard work.
As you can see, there was a crazy line for check-in, and I was looking for kiosks, but I couldn't find any. And then once I was online for 10-15 minutes, I saw them over in the corner.
And that, my friends, is travel day to Las Vegas. It was a busy day, a lot busier than I anticipated. Lots of long lines for stuff, including, well, first of all, the wrong terminal at the airport, not my fault. Then there was the hour-long line for the car rental buses, not my fault. Then there was a registration line that was, well, you saw it, out the door practically. That was my fault because there were kiosks that were hidden and I didn't even know it. So I realized it halfway through that line, so I got offline, went to the kiosk, and checked right in. Now, I'm in the room. It's a good room. You didn't think I'd show it to you, do you? That's another video, guys. Anyway, I had a list of about 20 things to do today. I've gotten through 4 of them. I don't think I'm going to get through 10. So wish me luck, and lots more coming from Las Vegas.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.